Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and environmental DNA. So environmental DNA is DNA that can be captured out in the wild, literally and figuratively. A geneticist from the University of Florida was using something he called environmental DNA to really track diseases in sea turtles about 10 years ago. A lot of this technology gained the interest of other people who wanted to be able to capture DNA. What they found that in addition to capturing DNA of animals, that these tools could capture DNA of humans. So one big use of this particular technology was during COVID, when researchers were gathering wastewater and they were trying to gauge what areas had more or less COVID infection as it went through wastewater. These types of environmental DNA tools are now being used by law enforcement, actually, because what they found is that especially in samples where maybe it's in an area that is not very densely populated or an environment where there are very few people, that they can capture DNA from surfaces, from water, even from the air. And so the concern is, because there really isn't a lot of rules around this, people don't consider this like a Fourth Amendment right issue, because they think that if you're separated from your DNA, it's kind of a free-for-all for whoever wants to be able to capture it. The New York Times wrote an article about this. This is like a wide open area, especially in the US, around data collection and use. Is concerning because people think that maybe people may be discriminated as a result of some of this environmental DNA collection, and that this DNA collection may not be transparent to individuals. So maybe a group of people in different areas may be deemed something or another as a result of this. Perhaps judges may decide whether it has been proven scientifically correct or not, whether they want to use evidence in court cases as a result of some of this type of eDNA collection. It's still like an emerging area, especially around personal rights. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen in this. I think we're going to hear a lot more about this because there are a lot of interested people around trying to figure out the science in this, and also the profitability of being able to use this type of environmental DNA for either investigations or some other use. That's it. Thank you.